Text: Sierra Pines apartment homes. Equal housing opportunity. Handicap accessible. A furnished apartment with hardwood look floors. A sliding glass door on the wall adjacent to the front entrance. A couch opposite a flat screen TV. A kitchen on the opposite side with a gap in the wall above the counter facing the living room. Stainless steel look appliances in the kitchen with a fridge at the back corner. Oven and stove top with overhead exhaust on the back wall. A tile look backsplash. A bedroom with another sliding glass door with blinds at the back. Nightstands flank a bed. A closet on the opposite side with dresser and hanging rods for clothes. A dresser with a mirror beside the bed. A bathroom with a vanity and wood-framed mirror mounted above it. A toilet and tub shower combo. A lounge with a vaulted ceiling. A work desk with a monitor. Armchairs around a table. More seating areas. A copy machine. A pool patio with lounge chairs and umbrellas. Palm trees. A grilling area with 2 large grills. A fitness center with a step machine, weightlifting bench, exercise machines, weight rack, a flat screen TV. Mail lock boxes outside under a roofed area. A basketball court outside with a hoop against a wall. A playground with a shaded awning in a fenced dirt area. A fenced dog park with hoop obstacles. Power lines pass behind the fence in the background. Sierra Pines. Equal housing opportunity. Handicap accessible.